You may think that with a name like Mr. Guttering, the name says it all. You know exactly what's on offer. Well, Mr. Guttering is about guttering, but so much more besides. And there's not only Mr. Guttering himself, there's his son, young Master Guttering too. Together, they're a wonderful combo whose combined skills, knowledge and experience bring you the ultimate service, sorting out any problems that you may have up there. Serving customers across the Midlands, make Mr. Guttering your first choice for fascias and soffit fittings, general roofing work, roof repairs, conservatory work. Oh, and I almost forgot, guttering repairs and installations. As for charges, you'll discover that the cost of any work from Mr. Guttering is extremely competitively priced. So, let's go through all of this. A long-standing and trusted company, excellent work, friendly service, great prices. That's just about every box ticked. So what are you waiting for? Call Mr. Guttering now.